how to fix Snapchat camera full screen problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on Snapchat, click here on this force stop, and after that click on this storage option. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all these permissions are enabled. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. After you update your Snapchat, the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.